In our everyday life, we are surrounded by different kinds of smells. So in the nature, or at home, in the kitchen, or somewhere else. But the question is, what can we do with the smells? Can we digitize, measure, and then use the smell? So the problem of smell digitalization felt to me very interesting, and I spent several years of my research to solve this problem. And the result now is the Smell Inspector, the smartest smell detection platform and developer's kit. So I believe we have created now a completely new possibility for making this digitalization of smells really easy and comfortable for any use. The board inside contains really new technology. It has very small and compact multi-channel chip based on nanomaterials. The chip is a sensor array which is actually up to 100 times more sensitive compared to conventional gas sensor, but still cheaper. Using the full potential of nanotechnology and combining into artificial intelligence, we created a completely new solution. This is a gadget for digitalization and recognition of smell, and this can be used by everyone.
So machines can already see with cameras, they can hear, microphones, they can even touch, but they cannot smell yet. With our technology, we can detect smells. Not single gases, but really compact mixtures of gases. And this is what our technology can do. We see a huge potential to turn the market upside down by using this and using our technology like an electronic nose.
Thanks to the development of iX16, we have finally achieved our breakthrough. This chip is very sensitive, uses almost no power, is compact, modular, and can be integrated in many electronic devices. Our fully in-house production technology makes it affordable for any use case.
And that is the chance to mount the sensor on some robotic arm or robotic vehicle or even on a drone that flies around to sniff gases. The application to put a sensor with a sensitivity like that on a flying drone is very difficult because the drone perturbates the air and also the gases in the air. And nevertheless, it was very surprising that our sensor could really sniff the ammonia in the air through the drone is flying. So the interesting thing is that the smart form factor, together with the capability, the feature of gas recognition, can be combined, and therefore mobile applications, flying applications, swarm applications become possible.
Our device is compatible with Arduino or Raspberry Pi and can be used for really different small projects. With our groundbreaking technology, we would like to build a worldwide community of developers and let people try very different use cases. This is why we invite you to build a new ecosystem of electronic smelling. Just take this device in hand and try your own use case. Our sensing technology has enormous potential, which is waiting to be discovered. So please join our community and develop our technology together with us.